Unlock the secrets to generating incredibly accurate and stunning AI artwork with Leonardo AI, your ultimate guide to precision and quality. Let's dive straight into crafting your masterpiece. The first crucial step is mastering the art of prompt engineering. Think of your prompt as a detailed description. Be specific instead of just knight. Try a majestic knight in shining armor. Add context like standing on a cliff overlooking a misty valley. And don't forget stylistic influences like fantasy art and desired quality indicators like 4K. Next, model selection is key. Leonardo AI offers various models, each with unique strengths. Experiment with different ones like Leonardo Diffusion or Stable Diffusion XL for this prompt. A model trained on fantasy art might yield the best results. After some initial generation, you'll see a grid of images now. It's time for refinement. Look closely at each output. Notice the details. If an element isn't quite right, like the knight's sword hilt, you can adjust. Use the negative prompt feature to tell the AI what you don't want. For instance, you could add ugly sword hilt, deformed weapon to the negative prompt. You can also tweak parameters like image strength or number of images generated. Regenerating with these adjustments will bring you closer to your vision. Observe how small changes in the prompt or model can dramatically alter the outcome, allowing you to achieve incredibly precise and high-quality AI artwork. With practice and by carefully leveraging these techniques, you'll be generating stunning and accurate AI artwork that perfectly matches your creative vision.